Hi there, my name is Greg and I'm a product expert at Cashier Live, a pharmacy point-of-sale system built to help independent pharmacies manage their business and provide their patients top-notch service. Today, we're going to talk you through some ways you can improve your inventory ordering. Do you know that most pharmacies still do their inventory by physically counting each item on their shelves? It's a common problem for pharmacies that are trying to increase their revenue with OTC purchases. Almost every pharmacy that adds OTC to their retail offering runs into difficulty of knowing what and when to reorder, and even finding the time to do so. Let's talk more about why this is such a common issue. As independents continue to compete with larger corporate pharmacy chains, many look to offer additional OTC products. This creates extra responsibilities for the pharmacy. Tasks like doing a physical inventory count, recording what products are low, and then heading out to your wholesaler's ordering site and manually picking out those products. All these demand more of your time and more of your staff's time. If you're paying an extra employee to manage your shelves, that's an additional expense that's cutting into your profits for just offering OTC products. If you have questions as we go along, be sure to let us know in the comment section below, or feel free to email me at greg@cashierlive.com.
Letting software handle your ordering may seem overwhelming and confusing at first, but there are a couple quick and effective ways to handle it. Many independent pharmacies switch to automated ordering by using electronic purchase order feature. There are a few different ways you can create an electronic purchase order. First way I'd like to highlight today is a restock order by date PO. Simply select the desired period of time, let's say from the 1st to the 2nd. This tells the software to create a purchase order for any product sold in that specific date range. This can be run weekly, bi-weekly, or any period of time. It's completely up to you. This will then create a purchase order for each supplier of all products that were sold during this time frame. So if your pharmacy sold 2 Advils during this period of time, 2 Advils will be added to your purchase order. Another option for creating a purchase order is perpetual inventory. Now this allows you to set low points for your products as well as restock levels, meaning if you were to run this purchase order today, the software would recommend an amount to reorder for whatever is low in the pharmacy. Again, just like with the restock order by date option, you can run this weekly, bi-weekly, whenever you think you might be running low. And let's not forget the old-fashioned way, creating a purchase order manually by adding whatever products you want. With this option, you can simply walk around the pharmacy, scan a barcode of a product, and it'll be added to your purchase order.
Now you have some ideas for how you can let your point of sale handle inventory ordering and replenishment. Cashier Live pharmacies who switch to automated purchase orders save an average of 7 man-hours a week. They also reported higher profit margins, so they're no longer ordering the wrong products or the wrong amounts. Now, setting up purchase orders at first can seem intimidating. You probably have a few questions about how to get started. I'm happy to answer some of those questions in the comment section below via email, or if you'd like to see Cashier Live in action, feel free to head to our website at www.cashierlive.com and schedule a one-on-one demo with a Cashier Live pharmacy expert. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're interested in learning more about how Cashier Live can help take the pain out of pharmacy management, you can visit www.cashierlive.com or call us 877-312-1750. Again, my name is Greg, and my contact info is in the description below. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to help. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our helpful videos to come.